my name is Sajid. You're watching SJH FXE. In this video we will discuss about the leverage, pips and spreads. So let's discuss about what these are importance and why we use and why we learn these all, because we must learn these all before trading, before you invest, before everything. You must learn leverage, pips and spread. Also, like the previous video Lord says, and we will discuss about the upcoming video, these few topics are very important for beginners to start the trading. So what is leverage? Leverage is a leverage that just we are written here, borrow a certain amount. When you invest $100, when a broker that you want to open an account with the broker, that company, the company will borrow you leverage. Leverage means they will borrow you. If you trade with $100, you can trade up to $1,000, $10,000 by increasing of the leverage, by help of leverage. Okay, so let's come here for a few examples also. And mostly of the brokers start the leverage 1:2 and go up till 1:2000. That's we written here 1:200, but mostly of the brokers nowadays give you 1:2000. Okay, 1:2000 leverage will give you. Okay, so the leverage, if you take some much leverage from the brokers, when you open an account, then you will, when you make a profit, the profit will be more when you give a more leverage. If you take a less leverage, then if you make a profit will less, and also loss limit also will be less or minimum. Okay, so like just an example, so when you trade like $1,000, like we will invest in these kinds of leverage, and $1,000 you will invest from your packet, then you can gain by one trade, by one standard lot, you can gain 20%, 2%, 10%, 50%, 100, 150 and 200% you will be get from these kinds of leverage. And also when you increase the leverage level, you will increase the percentage level, you will gain the profit level also increase, and you will gain the losses. Okay, so leverage is more important, but in my decision, my opinion, you use the use 500 this is the medium, and this is the normal leverage. You can use 1:500 because of safety, and I think this leverage will be better for your trade and if you beginner, so you must use this minimum leverage. Okay, so like examples, if you invest $1,000, you can trade, or you can trade till $1 lakh. Okay, like this is stones, like one stone is will give you the by help of leverage you can count till $1 lakh, 1 lakh stones. Okay, this is the simple examples. So let's come, I hope you will understand the leverage. So let's come to pips, where the price in exchange points represent the smallest change in a currency pair. This called the smallest change because this means when the numbers move slowly up, slowly down, this is called pip. Okay, so pip is another thing, the last gadgets, like these numbers you can see in the chart. In every chart when you trade, these kinds of numbers, in the last number we can call what? We can call pip. Okay, this is the last numbers or pips. And also when we count the pips above 400, 200, you can come here, you can use step by step these numbers, these gadgets. Okay, also. Okay, so by help of by help of pips you can count your profit, your loss. Okay, so these kinds of the start number from right side, the start number is the pip, and you can count with these numbers step by step. If your loss or if your profit is above from 100 or above from 10, you can count these all. Okay, so come here. So one like an example, EURUSD, which we did what we did buy, what we did trade buy here, and 1.1.23228. This is the when we trade in the market, this is the value of the trade, EURUSD value number. Okay, and this is grow up 25 pips, so you can count it. It's 1.23478. this is the now number, and I booked this profit, so I gain 25 pips. It's depend on your lot size, like we discussed about lot size in previous videos, and also it depends on your leverage. If you have maximum leverage, and or you use the high lot size, when you gain 25 pips, your profit will be also much. And if you use the minimum lot size leverage and minimum lot size, you will gain minimum profit with 25 pips. Okay, I hope you will understand these few examples also. And let's come to another example for more confirmation, for more understanding. So in these kinds of chart, we did sell trade, and we did sell trade by 1.6580, and this position we trade it in by sell position, and it's come down to our favor, and here take profit is our 1.5580. so we book this trade here, so we close the trade here, so we gain 1000 pips, and we gain profit $11,500. So it will depend on your leverage and pips. If your maximum pips, your profit will be maximized, and if your if your leverage and loss is minimum, so your profit or loss will be minimized. Okay, and also this kind of example here, like from this point and this point, we sell here, and the short candle came down to this point, so we gain 1520 pips. Okay, this is the simple calculation and simple explanation. I hope you will understand the pips as well. So let's come to spreads. What is spread? Spread is the spread, and the forex trading brokers quote the bid and ask price the currency pairs. The bid is the price. Okay, so it means when you trade any kinds of pairs, any currency, any gold, or any another pair, and with any broker account, so the broker will charge you few points, or when you trade the like for example, when you trade any pairs, in the start your trade will be in a loss, that the loss is the spread, and this is the company will charge you by name of spread. This is the charges. Okay, so you can see here, so you can see the spread between the pairs, or the side and the side of pair, like this, like of mobiles mostly of the time the spread right here and right side, or mostly of the left side, the spread available. And also spread have two kinds. Spread is two kinds here. One is the fixed, and one is the movement. So my recommendation to you must choose the movement spread, not a fixed spread, because this is the sometimes the spread will be minimum. If the spread will be minimum, you will be become profitable as soon. If the spread is much more, you will come in profit after long time. May if your decision is wrong, so you will be make a high loss. Because of this, you must be use minimum, and you must be choose the minimum spread, and also not flexible. Must movement have a movement brokers spread. Okay, so these are about spreads, leverage, and pips. I hope you understand all these important topics. So we will discuss about these all things, and we will discuss about more important subjects in upcoming videos. So follow us. Have a nice time. Good luck. Bye bye.